Hello and welcome back to Norfolkfords. I've got that Friday feeling. I've got a lovely cushy job. I haven't sat in a John Deere since I left Double Days, so I'm actually using one in Angerfords. So I've got the loader tractor, with a drag on the back, just levelling off a little bit as I go. But most importantly, if you look in front of us, I've got the brilliant job of picking up the full boxes and keeping the tulip harvester full of empties. That sounds like an easy job. Kind of is, but you've got to be on the ball. So we're a bit slow going. I wish I'd have recorded yesterday. Yesterday I had the afternoon just having a bit of a go. Well, here we go. Now we're in action. Yesterday it was manic. We were getting 3 boxes at the end. They were longer rows though. Now we're on these short bits of work. Why don't we stop? Normally I'm doing this one movement, so I think they've got the net snapped or something, which happens. As you can tell, I've been practicing. I think they've snapped the net. Never mind. They'll be going again in a minute. Snap net, they just tie it back up, and away she goes. See, there we go. Lovely full box. And John's just got back. So he's going to be ready to take a trailer in a few more boxes' time. I've been trying to level off the end so I can turn around for the lorry, not the lorry, the trailer here. I've got everything stacked up over here, you'll see in a sec. It's quite a fun job, a lot of quick driving. Like I said, on the ball, keeping everybody topped up. Today's a bit of a slow day. The bulbs are looking good, there's just not quite the same amount per metre, and on short range you can't get quite as good a run at it, so you know, it happens.